inaccurate counting, dropped pills, manual recalibration. Some pharmacy robots create more work than they save. The Kirby Lester KL108 secure robot from Capsa Healthcare. The pharmacy robot that's calibrated on-site with no technician manual adjustments. All cassettes can be calibrated by the 108 for any new tablet or capsule, on-site, on demand, and anytime. For pharmacies that need labor savings, precision, accountability, and security in their prescription fulfillment, the Kirby Lester KL108 is like no other. On the outside, the KL108 quietly and efficiently processes hundreds, even thousands of prescriptions per day to accommodate the busiest retail or hospital outpatient setting. Scripts are labeled, counted, and presented. Everything is within easy reach. The pharmacy's daily workflow is markedly smoother so staff can focus on patient care and value-added services with the KL108 backing them up. On the inside, the KL108 is dramatically different. It uses digital image processing technology to calibrate cassettes automatically on-site. No thumb screws or guesstimating. No weekly or daily recalibrations. The KL108 technology locks in the pill measurement and stays locked. The medication database includes thousands of common tablet and capsule dimensions. But when you need to automate a new pill that's not in the database, the KL108 camera chamber takes pinpoint measurements and stores the data. So change medications as often as needed, and as often as market conditions or seasonal changes demand. With the cassette docked in the cassette station, the device will automatically make all the adjustments for precise, accurate counting. Security is a priority with the KL108. Cassettes are always secured in place while dispensing and while docked on the cassette station for replenishment or return to stock. Cassettes can only be removed and opened by an authorized user. Locked cassettes and pick-to-light are part of our exclusive fill-safe technology, designed to virtually eliminate any chance of dispensing from a cassette where the refill wasn't authorized by a pharmacist. The KL108's remarkable security profile also includes access permissions, user tracking, and inventory software. The KL108 is ideal even for controls and high-value medications. The KL108 doesn't sacrifice performance for all of these safety features. It consistently fills orders to save labor and steps, and keep your staff ahead of the rush on your pharmacy's busiest days. The KL108 truly does the work of an extra staff member without ever needing a break, so your ROI is realized quickly. Busy retail and hospital outpatient pharmacies demand labor savings, precision, accountability, and security. They get that and so much more in the Kirby Lester KL108 Secure Robot from Capsa Healthcare.